We're Jenna and Jeremy.
After 14 months of RV life, we sold the RV and booked a one-way flight to travel the world.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok. Quench your adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
What's up, folks? If you missed the last video, it's the first in our Panama series and starts with the money heist Airbnb that we rented in the old city of Panama, Casco Viejo. Before we continue into this one, I stumbled upon a handful of missed files from Panama City that I want to toss in right here. Remember that Panama actually only took place because of getting COVID in Costa Rica, and we could have actually taken a bus from San Jose, Costa Rica to Panama City, but it was faster and not that much more expensive to fly, and the flight was beautiful. We could actually see Taboga Island, where we'll soon be headed. I mentioned that there's plenty of good food in Casco Viejo, and I also want to point out that there are a lot of tourism police out working.
Alright, Jeremy's checking us in here at the Taboga Express. We're going to be taking a ferry to cross the island to get to where we'll be staying. Taboga Express, Panama, here we go!
We are about to deboard the Taboga Island ferry, and Mary is going to pick us up in a car. We think it's like a golf cart, so let's go find her. Real quick, my Spanish is pretty amateur, and you'll hear me say Isla Taboga, but I'm pretty certain it's pronounced Isla.
Casa Rossi!
This gives you a pretty good idea of what the roads are like on Isla Taboga. On to the tour of the nicest Airbnb we've ever stayed in. Bienvenidos a Isla Taboga in Casa Rossi and Panama. Let's go. I'll give you a little tour. Welcome to Panama. This is Casa Rossi on Isla Taboga, probably the closest of the islands to Panama City. We're entering kind of on the side of the house here. It's sort of a funky layout. There's like a driveway over there and an entrance that way, but there's not really like a formal front door. So here we are.
Outdoor shower.
Yep, nice
Pathway
outdoor
to
shower.
town.
A lot of different walkways. On this island, the only vehicles are a few taxis, and the rest is, they're basically just golf carts, like little
tiny roads.
ATV type golf carts.
Super small.
Yeah, very, very small and tight. Really cool though, quaint. Kind of has an older feel. Almost feels like we're in Greece, which we've never been though.
I think it's the blues and whites.
Yeah, so
big
huge
seating
outdoor
area.
space. It's hot, that's why I'm shirtless. And there's AC, but only in the individual bedrooms, so we try to leave everything open during the day. Views pretty much every way you look. Tons of seating area. Like an outdoor dining table, some outdoor seating. And let's maybe do a full loop around here and then we'll check out more.
So here's some of the views. It's like almost a 180.
Yeah, almost a full wraparound. Beautiful views and a swimming pool to cool off. Water is kind of short on the island, so we have to be minimal with our usage. That might include the pool, so I don't think I'll be doing any cannonballs splashing the water out.
Right. That would not be good.
A lot more beautiful outdoor seating and a hammock.
And the reason why we have such a big place is because Jeremy's family will be visiting. We would never need this much space for the two of us.
Maybe at some point we'll be in, I don't know, Southeast Asia, and it'll be really cheap, and for a couple nights we could get some massive place, but not here. But
this was like $250.
Reasonable, yeah. I think it was $230 per night.
Split between
a 3-bed,
5 peeps.
2 bathrooms. So yeah,
not bad.
Outdoor grill.
That we told the lady we're not going to use because we don't cook like that.
Highly unlikely. All right, come on into some indoor seating area, like a desk, some more lounge. I haven't counted how many chairs.
We have to, oh my gosh.
Some spot to eat inside, I guess you could call it, but really.
Yeah, this feels like we're still outside. Look,
Yeah.
Boom. Boom.
I think we'll only close the doors to sleep. That's probably it. Because like I said, the only AC units are within the bedrooms. Probably not, I don't know. We could run them all and leave doors open, but...
So you want to show them the kitchen and I'll show them the bedrooms?
Sure. So, nice big kitchen. They've got some water for us to drink. Apparently you don't drink from the sink here on the island, but it was fine in Panama City.
They said use this for coffee and cooking and that for washing dishes.
Yep. So, nice big kitchen. Maybe we'll do a little bit of cooking, but there's only a very small grocery store on the island. We have a few groceries, but we'll probably end up eating out most of the time that we're here. So
propane stove, coffee maker, smoothie maker up there, microwave. We did some small shopping. The fridge is empty except milk and water. All right, so that's the kitchen. We'll switch sides. All right, guys, so follow me up the stairs. As you can see, there's a ton of hats and sombreros that you could decorate or use in the house. I'm gonna bring you into the guest bathroom. Here's the hallway to all the bedrooms. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So long little hallway, plenty of space for your toiletries, some towels, the toilet, and then you come here and you have your sink and vanity. And it's interesting, we realized there's no screen, there's no glass, it goes straight outside. There is nothing to keep the bugs out except that. And back here is the shower. You can't see me. Okay, that's the guest bathroom. Follow me to the master master bedroom and bathroom. Here it is. We got a queen bed, a ceiling fan, an AC unit. Pretty big, sizable closet. I like it. And the master bath is over this way. We have the vanity and the sink, toilet, and another shower I can hide. And this is where Jeremy's aunt and cousin will be staying. I'll show you where Jeremy's mom will be staying. This is the 2nd bedroom. You've got your full-size bed in here, a little wardrobe area, some books, some shelves, and a little sitting area. And then we have our bedroom door shut because we have the AC on in ours because we wanted at least one room that was like cooled off. So here's our bedroom that we will be staying in. We got a little view of the golf cart. That's basically that's what everyone uses on the island. The roads are so small, that's about all that fits. Nice seating area. I'm obsessed with this cute table. I want that in our house one day.
It's pretty.
And this is a queen size bed. Jeremy and I will be in this bed. And then the closet's a mess because we're living out of 4 backpacks, but this is what it looks like.
There you go. And one more walk
through
outside. Isla Taboga is not big. It's only about 2 miles long and 1 mile wide. It's known for its pineapples and mangoes, and it's a year-round tourist spot. But as close as it is to the mainland, it's actually a pretty quiet place. So my mother, aunt, and cousin. It's really loud squeak. I'm on a moving dock right now. Yeah, let's go with the voiceover. Anyway, we were supposed to meet my mom, aunt, and cousin last night in Casco Viejo, but they had some flight troubles and also missed all the ferry options to get here today. So the only option now to get here is a private trip on a tiny panga boat. So what should be maybe a 30-minute ride turned into more like an hour with the rough seas. And of course, my mom had just hurt her back lifting her luggage in the airport. So that said, we were anxiously awaiting their arrival and really crossing our fingers that nothing else goes wrong. They made it! At least they were arriving to a lovely island and beautiful accommodation. We took it easy that night and spent the next day mostly just walking around, enjoying the warm weather, beaches, and eating out. The next day we took a hike to Cerro de la Cruz, or Hill of the Cross. Our host Mary was gracious enough to drive us quite close and made the hike pretty short for us. It is a decent climb though, and of course it's hot, so be prepared if you do this. The views are so nice though from up high. The water looks gorgeous, especially on a sunny day. The island just is so small and cute and fun to see from this perspective, and I'm so happy I had the drone to capture it like I did. Wrapping up, we loved staying on Isla Taboga and would definitely recommend a vacation here. There are plenty of other things to do, such as scuba diving, visiting the second oldest church in the Americas, and taking boat trips around to other spots on the island. All right, we're cutting up some, I don't even know what to call them. They're like mixed between a lime and a lemon, maybe, at least in the way it tastes, and they're pretty dang juicy and delicious. So we're making some fresh juice. They've been in the refrigerator overnight, so it's cold. There's bananas growing and some little cherry tomatoes on the other side, but this is the spot. For us, it's time to head back to the mainland and into the mountains of Anton Valley in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.